In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Freeagent software. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log in to your Freeagent account. When you open Freeagent, you will see the sign-in screen. Enter your account credentials and choose the option to sign in. Once you successfully log in, you should land on your Freeagent dashboard or home area. Take a moment to look around. In the top navigation and side menus, you will see the key sections we will use throughout this video, like settings, banking, contacts, invoices, and expenses. Now that you are inside your account, you should complete your business profile in settings. This matters because Freeagent uses your business details to format documents and organize your accounting information correctly. In the settings area, review items related to your business and make sure the information is accurate. If you are asked to confirm your business name, contact details, or any basic company setup fields, fill them in carefully. When you finish, save your changes if Freeagent prompts you to do so. After this step, the software will be set up to work more smoothly with the rest of your records. Next, you will connect your bank account in the Banking tab so you can enable automatic feeds. This helps reduce manual work because Freeagent can bring transactions into your accounting system automatically. Go to the Banking tab and look for the option to add a bank account or connect an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your bank. Once the connection is complete, you should be able to see incoming bank transactions. Automatic feeds allow you to keep your records more up to date, and they also make your later explaining step easier because transactions will already be imported. After your bank connection is in place, the next step is to add your customers and suppliers via the Contacts tab. This is where you manage who you do business with. If you create invoices or record bills, Freeagent needs a contact list to associate payments and transactions with the right people or organizations. Open the Contacts tab and add each customer and supplier you plan to work with. For each contact, include the key details that Freeagent asks for, such as the name and any relevant information needed for invoicing or recording purchases. If you have many contacts, do not worry about doing everything at once. Start with the ones you use most, and you can add more later. With your contacts set up, you are ready to create invoices using the Invoices tab. This is one of the main features of Freeagent. Open the Invoices section and choose the option to create a new invoice. Use your customer contact information so the invoice is addressed correctly. Then add the invoice details, such as the items or services you are charging for, the dates, and any amounts. When you review the invoice, check that everything matches the customer and the pricing you intend. Once you are satisfied, save or send the invoice depending on what Freeagent offers for your workflow. Creating invoices in Freeagent helps you track what you have billed and what is outstanding. Now that invoices can be created, you should record expenses using the Expenses tab. Recording expenses ensures your spending is captured in your accounting records, which is important for accurate reporting. Go to the Expenses tab and add your expense entries. As you enter them, make sure you select the correct details for the expense, including the amount, date, and any category or payment information that Freeagent requests. If Freeagent offers prompts to match expenses to bank transactions, you can use those later when you review your banking. For now, focus on getting all expenses into the system so nothing is missed. Finally, you will use the Banking tab to explain your transactions regularly. This step is important because imported transactions still need to be categorized and matched to the right parts of your accounts. In the Banking tab, review the transactions that appear from your bank feed. For each transaction, Freeagent will typically ask you to choose how it should be recorded. You will need to explain what each transaction is for, such as whether it is income, an expense, or something else. Take your time and make sure the categories or matches are correct. Doing this regularly helps you keep your bookkeeping accurate and reduces the chance of errors or confusion later. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.